How to cancel non-refundable bookings on Agoda. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily cancel your non-refundable bookings on agoda.com. So first thing first, just head over to your browser and simply log into your agoda.com account. Inside here, just tap on this profile icon at the section and simply click on this bookings to view all of your bookings. So as you can see, I don't have any bookings available in my section because I haven't booked yet. So I'll simply show you from an example. So once you view your booking section, you can just tap on this manage your booking option over here. So once you tap on this, on the right section, you should see there is a cancel my booking option. So even if your cancel is not refundable, so just tap on this cancel my booking over here. Just enter this option that is cancel this booking to confirm for the final time successfully, and just like that you should have successfully canceled your non-refundable bookings on your agoda.com. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.